All right, Rowie, I'm making a whole chicken in my Instapot. So the first thing I did was I made a spice blend in a bowl. I will give you the directions for that. Then I rubbed vegetable oil on my chicken. It says 2 tablespoons. I cut it down to 1 tablespoon, which was plenty. I rubbed both sides of the chicken, the raw chicken, with the oil, and then I put the rub on top of it and rubbed that on. Then I came over here to the Instapot and I push saute. I pushed it twice until it lit up more because it's supposed to be on high. And I'm going to saute. I took that out. I'm going to saute the chicken on high. Okay, I put it in here on saute, breast side down for 5 minutes. Okay, so that will time it for 5 minutes now, and then I'm going to end up flipping it after 5 minutes and doing the other side. All right, I flipped it using my giant, as Axel calls them, tweezers. I have some big ones. I stabbed it with my fork, and then I put my tweezers inside the cavity and flipped it because this timer went off. So now I'm going to hit saute again. And I'm going to do it for 4 minutes on the other side. And it's going to cook for 4 more minutes. Saute on this side. See how nice and brown that looks? You filming? Mm-hmm. Okay, the 4 minutes is up, so I'm going to remove this. I'm going to put the trivet inside, and I'm going to add 1 cup of chicken broth. And then I'm going to put the chicken on top of the trivet. And then I'm going to select, come right here so you can see this. Pressure cook, high pressure. Whoops, right there, that should be lit. Hit it again if it's not. And I'm going to cook it. The recipe says 28 minutes. Last time I did it, I thought it could have gone a little bit more, so I'm going to set it for 30. But you're actually supposed to do this first. So put the lid on. Sometimes it takes me a minute to get it on. And then you've got to seal it. So if that's venting, that's sealing, so make sure you turn it back away from you, and that seals the lid. So we've got it on for 30 minutes. It'll go off. I do nothing now. It's just going to wait. Okay, that just pressurized, so it just started counting down from 30. So while that's cooking, I'm going to show you what I'm making for my side dish. You can make hash brown casserole, rice, whatever you want, but this is what I'm making tonight. I've got 2 tablespoons of butter in here. So I'm going to pour that in there. You could use more, but I'm trying to be pretty good. Then I'm going to, well, let's move that around a little bit. Cover the whole bottom. Then I'm going to get some Parmesan cheese, just the grated stuff. Sprinkle that kind of liberally. You can hear that kind of steaming in there. It's good. And then I'm going to take halved red potatoes, put them cut side down right on there. I'm going to cover it with foil, and I'm going to bake it probably, let me fix that one, that's gross. I'm going to bake that in the oven covered with aluminum foil until that's done. Okay, when this little silver thing falls down, you know that your pressure has been released, and you can open your lid. And inside is the trivet. It's going to be hot, but those are too bulky. I'm going to try to grab it with a towel instead. Pick up your chicken. That's done. And we got a lot of good broth in there. A lot of good broth that we can use for something else. Another good thing about this is when you don't eat it all, you can use it for chicken tacos, buffalo chicken dip, chicken nachos, whatever you want. And here is the potatoes that we made. So if you look at those, they've got a nice crust on the bottom of Parmesan cheese. Made some corn, dinner's done.